GCPay allows general contractors to pay all approved payment applications quickly, easily, and securely through electronic funds transfer, known as ACH, often in 24 hours or less. GCPay's electronic payment feature was designed to take the stress out of managing and releasing subcontractor payments. But the real benefit for you and your subcontractors is when the money exchanges hands. Guaranteed receipt of payment allows you to collect required documents, such as unconditional lien waivers, in real time. Let's have a look. You can select any number of approved payment applications for payment. Then, GCPay batches the selected payment applications and sends the details to the GCPay payment provider. Funds are pulled from your account for the sum total of the batch daily, and the GCPay payment provider holds the funds in escrow. At this point, unconditional lien waivers are placed in escrow as well and watermarked until payment is confirmed with the receiving bank. Now you can release the escrowed payment. This step allows for more control over the payment process, but you can automate for even quicker processing. Next, GCPay instructs payment provider to release the elected payments from the escrow account. Subcontractors get paid in 1 to 2 business days, and GCPay tells you the funds are on their way. Last of all, you find out when the subs receive payment. GCPay unlocks any associated payment exchange waivers and provides you with official copies of the waivers. You're in control every step of the way, with GCPay communicating with subcontractors so you don't have to collect and store bank details, track down subs and collect signed waivers, or worry about receipt of payment. Simple, fast, and reliable. Want to learn more about the payment benefits of GCPay ACH? Contact a sales specialist today.